What's going down, everybody? Welcome back, man. So it's Wednesday and it's beautiful and hot out here. So check me out, dude. I was thumbing through YouTube the other day, come across one of my homeboys' video, online mechanic tips. JT, man, I believe what you say, man. So he said something about the shuttering with a transmission, and this will get you by if you use it. So I'm gonna give it a try and we're gonna see, what it does, man. So this is just a short video. I'm gonna have a longer form video out here in a minute talking about what's going on with the truck, and that'll be what's up. So we're gonna give this a try. JT, appreciate you, big dog. Well, man, like I was saying, dude, we're gonna get over here. I got the truck running. You know, you check your fluid, truck's running. It's been hot, it's been running. I just got home from work. Truck's in neutral, emergency brakes on. I've checked the fluid and I'm just a little bit low. Just enough. So this stuff is 2 fluid ounces. So we're gonna pop it open and y'all are gonna watch me put it in a dipstick tube. Y'all know I like to show y'all what we got going on. So man, here's the issues I got going on with the truck. All right, so what's going on with the truck, man? This stuff's running everywhere. So if I go to get on it, like say I'm trying to pass somebody, right? Say I'm trying to pass somebody, man, that stuff made a mess, dude. But yeah, it feels like it's not locking in all the way. And then when I'm going, the hotter the transmission gets, it'll start shuddering. I can feel it shudder if I accelerate and things of that. It delays going into gear. Like in the morning, if I put it into drive, it'll delay going into drive for 2 or 3 seconds. So man, like I stated earlier in the video, in my short video, JT, Online Mechanics, man, I believe what you say. I think you're a real good mechanic, big dog. So we're gonna give it a try and see if it won't get me another 100,000 miles out of this transmission, because I believe the torque converter's slipping. So man, we got it put in there. Stuff was a little messy, but we got it cleaned up. I'm gonna check the fluid one more time, make sure we're not over the full hot line or the little dot that's on the dipstick. And then that'll be that, man. So another thing I want to note is that you can just tell, man, when you're driving the truck, you can tell that it's not fully locked in, that it's not moving the way it should. And then, like I was saying, man, yesterday in my video I put out, whoever had this truck abused it. I think they burned the transmission up, or at least burned up the clutches and the torque converter. So man, I'm hoping this will help, dude. It's worth a shot. Y'all know how I get down. I like to keep them on the road for as cheap as possible. So with all that, man, keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Hit your boy up with a comment and let me know what's going down.